Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So I'm so sorry guys for not uploading all this while. I've been having some issues on my Google AdSense account. It's not that I've seen solution yet, but I pray I see solution to it very soon. So I don't want that to weigh me down, me not uploading video for you guys. So I'm back now guys with more trending Gele style for you guys. So today's Gele that I'm tying is one of the requests that you guys send me on my Instagram page that I should do tutorial on. So that is what I'm doing. So for this Gele guys is 50-50 ratio. 50-50 ratio. After me creating like 10 pleats at the front, so I go back now, crossing the both hands together, bringing it back to the front. So guys, just look at what I'm doing carefully. This Gele is not hard, it's very simple. It's something that you can just sit down, tie it. So now I'm just creating pleats there. I'm creating like 7 or 8 pleats there also. So after creating that pleat, I will now be doing my fan there. I'll be creating just look, yes, I'm creating the fan now. So I'm so sorry if my hand is covering you. I'm so sorry about that. So now after creating it, I'm going back now, extending the pleat that I created. I'm extending it to the front. Now continue doing the fan again. I'll be creating more fan now. If I create more fan, I will extend it again. Just look at what I'm doing. If I create more fan, I will extend. If I create more fan, I will extend the pleats. That's what I'm doing. Because if you not do it like this, you will lose the plate that you created, and you won't want that. So after creating fan, I'll go back now and adjust it. I don't want my fan to be too big. So now I'm going back now, I'm adjusting it. The Gele I'm using guys is very big. The Gele is very big. So if you don't want your own fan to be that big or that much, you can use smaller Gele guys. You can use smaller Gele. Joining of this Gele is 5. You can use like 3 or 4. Joining of the Gele is 5 or 6 or so. So now call one of my students to come and hold it down for me. Yes. So now we'll be going back now. The second hand now, I'm bringing it back to the front, putting it on top of the other hand. Now I'm creating my pleats now. You can create as much pleats as you want there. You can create, guys, see me, I can sweat a lot. I can sweat for Africa. You know me, horrible like this. Horrible like me like this. I do sweat a lot, so guys, you know I do say it now on most of my tutorial. I sweat a lot, so God will help me with that. So now I'm just creating pleats. I'm making fan now. Now I'm going back now to adjust the pleats. I'll make fan, I'll adjust pleats. At this stage guys, my hand is aching me. At this stage, my hand has started paining me, because to create this split and do this fan guys, I would like to, it's not that easy but don't be scared that I'm saying it's not that easy. Don't worry, you can do it also. So it's not something that is hard, guys. Very simple. Let me not say it's hard. It's not hard, it's simple. So guys, I'm so sorry I'm not showing you the back. Oh guys, I forgot. So I'm so sorry about that. So I'm just using office pin now to pin it. I'm using office pin to pin it at the back. I'm using office pin to pin it. So guys, about the giveaway that I told you guys, I didn't forget to. I did not forget about the giveaway. By next month, by the grace of God, I'm going to post it on my Instagram. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at Glam Beauty 30 Makeover. Glam Beauty 30 Makeover. You can send me picture of the tutorial you want me to do for you guys. If you send me any picture on my Instagram or my WhatsApp and you've not seen me do the tutorial, I'm so sorry about that. So I didn't have some of the Gele. That's why. Even this one that I'm using, I just rent it. This Gele that you see I'm using now, I rent the Gele. So that's why. So I'm so sorry if you not see me upload the video. So I think that is it about the Gele, guys. So I'll be putting brooch at the front, at the middle there. You can put brooch there to just make it look